Beach resin is so popular right now, and I am as obsessed with it as a lot of other people are. In this class, we're going to be learning how to create beach resin coasters, which are fabulous because they're artwork, but it can also be functional. Let me go show you what we're going to be creating. So these are the coasters that we're going to be creating. We're going to be creating 4 coasters that are beach resin. And we're going to be using some color shift powder. I don't know whether it's because my birthstone is opal or something, but I have a thing for color shift pretty much anything, iridescent anything. And these mica powders that we're going to be using have a beautiful quality to them. They're nice and sparkly, and they also have a lovely color shift to them. This class comes with a supply list where I'll list everything that I am using to create these coasters. So if you're wanting to use the same supplies, you can find them through that supply list. I also share with you the type of resin that I like to use, and you can choose whether you want to use the same resin or a different one. If you do choose to use a different resin, you may have slightly different results, as this is what I know works for me, but you're welcome to try it if you happen to have it on hand. Now let's go create some beautiful coasters.